Elasticsearch offers high availability too, which is a very important feature for mission critical use cases. How Elasticsearch does this is as follows. Each node on a network or a cluster will have one or two replicas, which are exact copies of the primary node. So let's say the primary node fails for some reason. Elasticsearch will automatically detect this and assign one of the replica nodes to work as the primary node and take charge from there on. If a replica node fails, then another replica node will be assigned. And all this is behind the scene and user don't have to do any manual work there. Moreover, Elasticsearch also offers a very easy way to add new nodes in place of failed nodes with a replica or primary, giving something called plug and play kind of feature, which saves a lot of time for clients in maintaining their network. I personally like discovery feature offered by Elasticsearch, and practically it couldn't be simpler than that to add a new node to an existing cluster